everyone, I'm Seva and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be making Chipotle Mango Guac. But before we get into the video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss another one of my videos. Alright, let's get started. So for this recipe, all you're going to need is some mango, some lime juice, of course, or avocado, some chili powder, some diced red onions, some tomatoes, and some olive oil, and that's it. Now without further ado, I'm going to head over to the stove and get started. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is grab your pan or skillet. You're going to want to take your olive oil, and you're going to want to heat that up into your pan. We're just going to start heating this up. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take all of your onion, your chili powder, if you have fresh chilies, that's obviously way better. And then you're going to want to take half of your tomatoes. And then you're just going to want to cook this on the skillet just until your onions have softened, so about 5 to 10 minutes. Now this is going to be a little bit different than your typical guac. I mean, normally I don't put anything on the stove. I keep everything just in my bowl, but this is a little bit different. Plus we have mangoes for this recipe, so it's just going to be that extra little touch to make this definitely a different type of guac, but really fun and healthy and something that you can definitely use to entertain your guests. Okay, so we're just going to cook that for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'll show you what to do next. Alright, so we're all done. So what I'm going to have you guys do now is remove this from the heat, and I'm going to ask you guys to grab a bowl, like a medium-sized bowl, and let that just cool for a little bit before we add in the rest of our ingredients. Oh, I don't think you guys understand how phenomenal this smells. So while we wait for that to cool, I'm just going to start dicing our avocado. Just cut it in half, take the pit out, and then I spoon it out, and then just start dicing from there. Okay, so now that our mixture has cooled, it's time to add in the rest of our ingredients. We're going to add in our lime juice, the rest of our tomatoes, our diced mango. And if you haven't seen it already, make sure to check out my mango mojito chicken recipe. It's super delicious if you like mangoes. I'll definitely make sure to link that somewhere on the screen and down in the description box. And if you're interested in some nutrition facts on avocados, make sure to check out my avocado corn salad recipe. I'll also make sure to link that on the screen or somewhere in the description box as well. Oops, left an avocado. And we're just going to toss this around a little bit. Okay guys, so now you should have something that looks like this. It smells delicious. So now it's time for my favorite part, to taste it. Let's get some of the avocado, some of the onion, the tomato. Wow, this is so good, you guys. That chili definitely does something different for this recipe, and just letting some of the tomatoes just roast a little bit on the stove really makes this special. Can't wait for you guys to try this at home. Well, that's all I have for this video today, guys. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss another one of my videos. Please give me your feedback in the comment section below. I really look forward to seeing that. If you want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes just like this one, then make sure to head over to my description box, click the link, and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.